Good afternoon, everybody. This is Saturday, the 16th of November, 2024, and AJ has been making videos for me this morning from filming his dad, so I appreciate that, AJ. Thank you.
Watch out for the grape.
Today's AJ's half birthday. You're 12 and a half years old today. 12 and a half. That means 6 months from today. You're 13. 6 months from today. So this is an unboxing video. What do we have here?
Ooh.
You know how
very cheaply made.
know how I like to do unboxing videos. These are cheaply made?
Yeah, very cheaply.
Oh, why do you say that?
Because of the way they feel.
It looks decent quality.
Huh?
I said it looks decent quality.
Yeah, well, that's looks.
Are they made in China?
I don't know.
Probably. Everything's
Everything's made in China. Because the politicians sold us out.
So Stephen ordered some mirrors. So yeah, AJ, you're gonna be 13. 6 years from, I mean, 6 months from now, you're 13. Oh.
I take the old one off and then put this one in its place.
So he didn't have any mirrors up there? Oh, you've already taken them off.
I didn't take nothing off.
So he didn't have any.
They're gone. But they used to be on there, so instead of making new holes, I'll just put these right here.
How did he not have any? I don't understand.
How did he not have any? Not everybody needs them. You know, he's quite taller than I am. I can't see over the dash because I'm only 5'8".
I thought that they were a requirement. It's not a requirement? It's not a DOT requirement to have mirrors like that?
No, it's not a DOT requirement.
Well, I mean, that's news to me.
Whoa, whoa.
So you didn't get the best quality, is what you're saying, because
No, I only paid like $50 for them.
for both of them together?
Yeah.
Oh, well then, yeah. I guess you get what you pay for, I guess.
Yeah, well, I don't want to put anything big and fancy on there. I just wanted some useful mirrors.
Look, AJ, look in the mirror.
You know, they do have some that you can control from the inside of the truck.
Oh, where you can control from the inside of the truck.
You can adjust them from the inside. That means they have motors in them.
Oh, how cool.
And plus they have heated ones.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, and then they have vibrating ones.
Wow, now I can understand a heated mirror, but what's the point of a vibrating mirror?
Just seeing how much you'll fall for.
Oh, Stephen, they don't have vibrating mirrors. There's no point for that.
They had to tell me which one was right, which one was
The
right.
heated. You can have a heated mirror to melt the snow and
Yeah.
ice off.
Just in case I didn't know.
Oh.
What?
Right. It has a right
Maybe
and
I
a left.
Here, put this on there for DOT inspection.
You're going to do what now?
Put this on there for DOT inspection.
Yeah, that's another thing we have to get done is a DOT inspection.
I would have did it when I still had the temporary insurance, but the city horn didn't work. So.
What? Are you serious?
There you go. This is the right side of the truck.
That's too
I'm
funny.
Big Belly.
And I'm Bumbles.
And we are
Big
Belly
Belly Bumbles.
Bumbles.